well, here we are again, taking another crack at old Jack Creek. Our goal today is to keep the riverside down. We'll try and run out there to the Jack Creek campground and then make the full loop all the way back around out on Mountain City Highway. Maybe we'll stop and check that campground out a little bit. Should be easy to find our road. All we gotta do is look for that skid mark. Oh yeah, there it is right there. There's a JP skid mark. Found our road. Oh, it smells good out here. Almost like lavender or something. Is that a golf cart up there? I think it is. I think we're coming up on a golf cart out here. Maybe Jack Creek's actually a golf course? I think we're about to find out. I think they lost their ball. That's funny. It's definitely very pretty out here. That must be part of Jack Creek right there. Look at these mountains. Oh, and the smell. Jack Creek, it used to be like a firewood gathering area for Tuscarora. It's also somewhat of a ghost town. I don't know a whole lot about it. I've never been out here before. But I've heard rumors that there was like an old schoolhouse, there was an old post office, and a few structures apparently. I don't know that there was necessarily any mining actually going on out of Jack Creek, but I think they were mostly just using it for firewood gathering. It looks like it gets pretty swampy out here from time to time. Alright, little bridge. Oh, that creek is rutted. Well, it's a newer bridge made out of concrete, not a wooden one like the Bruno River. Pretty odd to see the green moss growing on the rock outcroppings in Nevada. Well, look at this. Love these little bridges. You don't see a whole lot of those in Nevada. Probably because we don't have that many water crossings. Look at that creek just ripping. It's pretty full right now. Look at this. Welcome to Nevada. ADV, Nevada. The Humboldt National Forest. Well, if anything, it's definitely not your standard Nevada ride. There's the campground. Let's pull in here and check this out. Definitely open campsites through here. Oh, one right there. How cool is that? Well, I guess we'll see how rough this road gets. Pretty squishy bottom, but not bad. Alpine Star Tech 7 boots, those are waterproof. Now, I know I've had a lot of people tell me that up here at Jack Creek, this is their favorite campground. That one back there we just stopped at. I had also heard that it was super muddy up here and people were getting stuck. Hopefully, that's all dried out. Boy, this is rocky. Look at this. Yeah, it's definitely beautiful up here. No argument there. Wow. Well, look at this. I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. Well, how cool is this? Look at those mountains. ADV, Nevada. There's little springs all over the place up here. What a cool ride up here. Looks like this is flipping us around and taking us to the top. Very cool up here. Whoa, that almost looks like asphalt. I didn't expect to see that up here. Look at these mountains. Take that in, would you? Wow. What a ride. Boy, it don't look like this road gets a whole lot of action either. It might even be more desolate than the Bruno River Road. Looks like we're coming up to some kind of saddle up here. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, it's windy up here too. I'm sure you can hear that. These are some mountains here. ADV, Nevada. Uh-oh, looks like we still got some snow on this side. So a little update, we just come over the top of a little saddle here. Can't really see what it's called necessarily on the map. On this Jacks Creek Road, we pretty much went to the top of where we've seen the road go so far. And now we're headed down the other side. Look at this. Runoff all over the place. At least it's cool up here. It's only 77 degrees. I'm glad it's not the 94 degrees that it is in town right now. Still got snow up here. Not a lot, but we got some. Looks like it was quite the operation at one time. Look at this. And we're just coasting. Well, I didn't see any schoolhouse or old post office or nothing, but I did see a mine, so who knows, maybe that information I was reading was completely wrong, or we went the wrong way, I don't know. I haven't really been following the map too awful hard. Just going down the road. Oh boy. Somebody left the gate open. The Big Springs project. Oh, we're going up there. We gotta check this out. Definitely windy up here. I think it's taking us right to the tippy top of this mine. Alright. Wow. Look at these trees up here. How cool. Wow, this mine's up here. The old Big Springs project. We may have to Google that one. I don't know, this looks like the way to the top. We got a little snow up here still. Oh, there's definitely some snow at the top of that mountain. And some wind. Look at this. Boy, this is quite the operation. Oh, and I think they got phone service up here. I'm getting messages. Look at that. Well, now we've seen the old Big Spring mine. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but these pine trees look brighter in Nevada. Oh, wow. Well, I'll stop here and grab a snapshot of this sign, and then we can Google it and maybe see if we can come up with some information on what the heck this is. Anova Metals Limited USA Big Springs project. Looks like a brand new sign. Maybe they're gonna revive it. Well, cool, let's continue on. So, the best of my knowledge, this is Jack Creek Road. Oh, look at all that, all dammed up. Oh, cool. Awesome. What a ride. Some of these are pretty deep. Bike needed a little bath anyways. I definitely don't think I wash it enough. Wow. Look at that. Oh, it's incredible. Well, if you do take this ride, the road seems to be a lot rougher on the Jack Creek side. The further you get down it seems like the road gets quite a bit better. But then again, who knows, maybe I'm not on Jack Creek Road. Look at this. Look at those pine trees up there. Wow. Oh, soft and muddy. ADV, Nevada. Wow. Look at that. Ha-ha! Just look at this. ADV, Nevada. Well, I think that was it. That was Jack Creek Road. Oh, I think this is the road I was looking for. Oh, it's sandy out here. And rocky. I want to thank you guys for sticking around and watching the channel. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe. That wraps up our Jack Creek Road ride. I hope you guys enjoyed.